morning, guys. I look a hot mess. This is the morning, as I said, because I said good morning. I just woke up like an hour ago, and I figured that for this weekend's video, I should do a weekly vlog. So I'm about to go walk my dog, eat some food, go to the gym, do my morning routine. And what do we have to do today? We have to go grocery shopping because Thanksgiving is on Thursday, and I am trying to get the grocery shopping out of the way before later in the week comes, because it's going to be a mess in there, and I have to start a couple of orders. I have to pack a couple of orders. I have a couple of things to do today, so let's just get started on the day. I had to pack up a custom order and 2 yarn mystery boxes. If you guys are interested in purchasing any of my yarn mystery boxes, the link to them is in the description below. Okay, so my kitchen is clean, my orders have been packed, my dog has been walked, and now it's time to go to the gym and then go to Walmart after. I'm really hoping that Walmart is not crowded. Like, just pray for me, because if it's crowded, I might just walk right back out. So as usual, I didn't film in Walmart because, you know, I hate filming around a ton of people. But Walmart actually wasn't that crowded. Got all my groceries. And surprisingly, they were so well stocked for Thanksgiving. Like, they have a ton of stuff right now. Now all there is to do is go home, possibly edit the video that I'm dropping on Wednesday, and start on some orders. So I just finished taking pictures of the bag that I created in what would be the last video. And honestly, I'm tired, I'm hot, I'm exhausted. I have on my plain Jane crochet top with my Tommy Hilfiger hoodie, and of course my bag that I just made. So now that all the content is filmed for the week, I am going to edit and probably crochet a little bit if I can squeeze that in, and then I'm gonna go to bed because it's already late. Guys, don't be mad at me, please don't be mad at me, but it's already Tuesday night and I completely forgot to vlog today.
I'm so sick of your crap. Everybody is. Everybody's sick of what you put us through.
I completely forgot to vlog today, but I didn't even do much. I went to the gym, and then for the rest of the day, I've been editing content, editing TikTok content, editing Instagram content, and now I am editing a YouTube video. By the time this video is up, the video that I'm editing right now should be up already. It's the video for the puff tote bag, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll put it up in the cards. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's already super late and I'm still editing this video, so I'm probably gonna be doing this for the rest of the night. Hey guys, in the car today, as you can see. So today I have to go yarn shopping, and you guys really liked the last time I took you guys yarn shopping with me, so we're gonna go yarn shopping again today, and I have a few other errands to run. So we're gonna do that. And I also have some yarn to organize. I found some yarn in my storage closet, so I'm going to organize that and upload it for the yarn mystery boxes. So yeah, that's today's agenda. I need some yarn for an order. I need some silk fabric to line a bag for another order. And I need some goodies for the yarn mystery boxes. So that's what is on the agenda to get today. And I might pop into a thrift store if I have time. Depending on how quickly I can get all this done, we might go thrifting today. Let's see. We're in my favorite aisle, the aisle I come to every week. And we're looking for a stormy print. I think that's a gray color. Down here. Is this it? Smoky water. That's what we're looking for. Smoky water, I think. Now they know I'm a sucker for all the dog stuff. Let's do a car haul. So I'll show you all the stuff I got from Hobby Lobby. I got some Christmas stuff because, you know, Christmas is coming up and I needed some decorations. So I got this adorable tree. It's literally glittery as hell. I don't know if you guys can pick it up because of this lighting, but it's leaving glitter everywhere. I didn't get much yarn because I only needed one skein of yarn for my project, well, for my order. And I have a bunch of projects that I'm working on personally that I don't need yarn for yet. So I only got one skein of the smoky water print, right? Yep, smoky water print. I got some black satin fabric to line a bag. I got this adorable little stocking for my pup. It's so cute. I got this little charm for his collar and it flips. It says naughty on the other side. I got him a little dog toy to put in his stocking. And then I got a little Christmas ornament. How cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go in Goodwill. I need some winter clothes because it's freezing here in Georgia and I don't have much winter clothes. So I'm gonna see what I can find in this Goodwill right here. I also want to just take a look at the Christmas decorations because it's so much better to get your Christmas decorations from a thrift store. Honestly, you'll get them cheaper and yeah, they'll be lightly used, but who cares about that? Look at these gorgeous chairs. Oh my gosh. They had a couple cute things in that Goodwill, but none of it was my size, so yeah, that's how that goes. There's another thrift store like 5 minutes up the street, so I'm gonna see what that thrift store has, and if it's nothing, then I'm just gonna go grocery shopping and call it a day. I found nothing.
This is where I'm starting to get aggravated.
I found nothing, so that's how that went. I don't like thrifting in this neighborhood, to be honest, but whenever I go get pet food, I feel like I should just pop my head in the thrift stores over here, but they honestly kind of suck. So I'm gonna go grocery shopping and then I'm gonna go home. So I'm here in my forbidden storage closet where we keep our luggage and some random stuff. But look guys, there was a whole tub of yarn in here. So I am going to bring this in the house and we're gonna look through it and see what's in here. Guys, so I'm cleaning out my indoor storage closet because the last storage closet you guys saw was my outdoor storage closet. So I was just cleaning out my indoor closet. I've been doing winter cleaning all day, trying to get my Christmas decorations up, trying to get all my winter clothes out, etc., etc. Why I found another bin of yarn. I thought this bin had like yarn that I wanted to keep in it, but whole time the bin underneath it had the yarn I wanted to keep, and the bin on top had a bunch of yarn that I wanted to post, and I forgot about it. So now we have that bin to go through, and we also have this bin to go through. So my plan is to go through the bins, organize everything by color, and post all of it on my Etsy as yarn mystery boxes. But yeah, I'm about to color code all of this yarn, and I'm thinking about giving them like funky names so that you can know what kind of colors you'll be getting, but you won't know exactly. So to keep the mystery, you won't know exactly what yarn you'll be getting, but you'll kind of have a gist for like the colors that will be in the mystery box, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's just get to it.
Outside again. We out. Side. We out. Side. We out. Side. We out. Outside again. Just wanna chill with my friends. Outside again.
Guys, honestly, this is an insane amount of yarn. If you haven't seen my what did I call it? I guess unboxing my grandma's yarn collection video, I'll put it in the cards. But if you've seen that, you know my grandma had a ton of yarn, and I didn't even know I still had this much of it left. I honestly thought I had very little of it left, but as you can see, there's a mountain. So let's go through it and I'll show you guys what is here. So we have some of this Bernat Handicrafter cotton. I like this yarn. I just don't have many things to do with this color combo. But we have 3 huge skeins. Skeins? I don't know. But yeah. Just to give you an idea of how big it is. Like, it's bigger than my hand. It's huge. I have some Karen Simply Soft in this like gold color. We have whites. I have 2 skeins that only have like one color of each. I only have 1 brown and 1 yellow. We have a few pink babies. I've never seen this brand before. It looks super vintage, honestly. This label just looks old as I don't know what. We have some of this cotton yarn. I believe this is Lion brand. Nature's Choice cotton yarn. Then we have some of this Dazzle Air, right? That's how you say it, Dazzle Air. We have some blues here. This looks super old. I'm so here for the vintage vibes. We have this gigantic mountain of greens, I guess forest vibes kind of yarn. We have that red. They're like fire truck red, the brightest reds I've seen in a long time. We have some maroon ones. Then we have this like weird, like rosy kind of color. But yeah, that is what we are working with. Okay, so now that that's done and I know what I have, I'm gonna upload them all to Etsy. So once again, if you're interested in a yarn mystery box, the link will be in the description. Please help me get rid of this yarn. And they'll also be on sale for a while too. So, but anyways, I'm gonna put them back into these bins in a more organized fashion. And yeah, that'll be it.
Outside again.